Hello guys, my name is Aginam Abraham Somtochukwu. So I'm going to be teaching you on how to design graphics within 5 minutes. Alright, so let's go. So I'm going to be opening a site. So it's very going to be easy. You can make money quickly with graphic design. So I'm just going to be taking you through some sites. Please follow, and then I hope this will help you as well. Alright, so let's move. Okay, so one of the sites I'll be using to explain is called Canva, a very functional site. And also, while you are here, I would want you to do something. Kindly subscribe to my channel and then watch this content to the end, like and leave a comment. That will help the channel grow. Alright, so I'm going to be opening a site called Canva. Alright, so Canva is one good tool we use for our design. Very functional, very solid tool. So I'm just gonna show you how to create design so that you don't stress yourself. Okay, so one thing with the Canva tool is that it helps your design look very good. Helps your design look very good. So alright, so once you get the design, so it now gives you the uniqueness that comes with the work. Alright, so this place helps you that you don't really basically need to know how to design much. Just come. So let's say I want to design a YouTube thumbnail. So I come here, YouTube thumbnail. So you don't basically need to start from the scratch. You just give you a template. Then you select the template you want and then edit on it. So you can see it's giving me a YouTube thumbnail, amazing YouTube thumbnail by the way. So you can select the thumbnail you want. So let's say I want to do something that has to do with vlog or talk about mountain fall. So I'm going to pick this. So let's say I pick this now. Please follow me. So I'm going to select this. So you don't basically need to know much. So just go. Then when you click on customize this thumbnail, it creates another page for you. Alright. So while it creates another page for you, you can now continue your work. Screen. So instead of you trying to build from the scratch, one thing social media has helped us and the web is you don't basically need to know graphic design from the scratch. Alright. So let's go. So you just come, then you can come here. Let's say I'll edit here. Buy go. Then to the outfit of nature, then you put watch now, then you put something over here. So if you look over here, you can also edit. So in other words, you are having something done for you without you doing much. Alright? The another tool I will be showing you is what we call Poster My Wall. Very amazing tool. So the same concept can be run here. Okay, so Poster My Wall is an amazing tool. So you can use Poster My Wall to run some of your designs basically. Alright? So and the functional thing with Poster My Wall is it can perform the same function Canva can perform. So in other words, so when you come here, you can select different templates. There are different templates here. So you don't basically need to start from the scratch. All you need to is just come, go through the file here, and then learn how to design. So let's say I want to do a vlog. So anyone you see pro, that means it's paid. So the ones that you see no pro, that means you can edit it. Alright. So I'm going to click here now and then I will edit. So Canva is one basic amazing tool you can use for your graphic design. Then here you can just come, you can change the face. Alright, so you can also edit. So the face is big, so I can delete this. Then you can bring your own face. Our face is at the back, so you can bring your own face, put it around the and then fix what it's meant to do. So basically, this one helps you with the design where you can select the template you want, and then here is for the styling. I'm going to have a video where I will teach you about the styling. So this is element, how to bring in shapes, arrows, boxes, and the rest. Then you have your text tool by this place. Now here has to do with the branding, if you want to brand it. And then branding has to do with paying, you need to pay. Here, if you want to upload it on your laptop, you come down to this place. If you want to draw, you come here for your pen tool and the rest. Now here is for your project you've done. Here is for other application you might want to use. Alright, thank you for the time. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share my content so that you can get more.